Here is how to change the background color of your Instagram story. So let's get started. So I'll split this video into two parts. One is if you're putting a post on your story, and the second is if you're putting some image or text. So first, if you're putting a post, just come to the post and add it to your story the normal way. So click on share and add to story. And as you can see, this is the current background. And now if you want to change the background, just click on this icon over here. And as you can see, these are some standard options that they've given. But let's say you don't like this and you want a solid color. Then click on the arrow and click on draw. Then here what you can do is select whichever color you want. Let's say I want this gray. I'll select it and just long click anywhere on the background. And as you can see, it has changed. If I want it to be white, I can select white, long click, and it's changed. Once you've selected the color you want, click on finished, and then you can post this as a story. So this was the first method, and the second one is if you're adding an image or any text. For this, click on the plus button on the top left, click on story, then here click on the AA icon that's on the left. Here you can type anything you want. After that, just delete the text by long clicking on it and dragging it down to the trash icon. And the same way like before, you can click on this icon to change the background. So these are standard options. But if you want another solid color, click on the arrow. Here click on draw. And now select whichever color you want and long click. Then click on finished. And the last step is to add the actual content of the story. So if it's text, you can just tap anywhere and start typing. Or else, if it's an image, click on the sticker icon. That's the second one. Here click on photo and select whichever photo. So now I've selected this one. And now a story is ready. So this is how it works, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.